Hi everyone. Let's start with the fourth section, Linux System Auditing. In this section, we'll be working with different Linux auditing tools, installing necessary auditing packages, working with different audit tools, making use of the audit's default configurations, and working on custom rules. Video 1, Linux Auditing. Video 2, Installing auditing packages. Video 3, Working with auditing tools. Video 4, Using default configuration. Video 5, Working on custom rules. Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be focusing on how we can work with Linux system auditing. Let's get started and check our slides. Linux auditing system allows a system administrator to create an audit and also track security-relevant events. Linux auditing can also help with recording events in a log file. It can also discover any misuse and unauthorized activities, like logins on the Linux system. Let's get started. On our Ubuntu system, we can see we have two users, the admin and Alex as the second user. Now let's start up our terminal so we can get things done. Now let's use sudo su to become the root user. After that, let's check the auth.log like this. more/var/log/auth.log. This file contains all the Linux system's log and its authentication attempts in a discrete file. This is what I call the authentication management monitoring. To view the last part of the file, use tail/var/log/auth.log. This will show the last part of the file. The tail command prints the last 10 lines of each file to standard output. Let's take a look at another file, more/var/log/syslog. Collects messages of many programs and services, including the kernel, and stores them, depending on setup, in a bunch of log files. Like tail, we can make use of the head command. To view this file like this, head/var/log/syslog. The head command views the top of the file. Tail can also be used like this, tail/var/log/syslog. After working with the Ubuntu system, let's head to the CentOS 7 system, log in, and let's start the terminal and get things done. On the command Linux, use sudo su as the root user and then find the audit directory using cd/var/log. Then list the directory and we'll find the audit directory. cd into this directory and check the audit.log file. This document records an event in an information. Check the file with tail audit.log and we can see the information stored on the file. That's all for this video.